How to back up data in Telegram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can back up data in Telegram. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So in order to back up your data in Telegram, you can use up the laptop version of Telegram for more features, as it has more features that lets us back up, but usually Telegram automatically backs up everything. But still, if you want a more backup, these are the methods you can follow. So head over to Telegram and go over to the menu bar to open up this menu. After that, you need to go to settings. Once you are under the settings, look at this option called advanced from the settings. And from advanced, you should be finding different options. You just need to scroll down. And when you scroll down, you should be finding an option that says export Telegram data. So what you need to do is simply click on this. And once you click on it, you can click like your account information, your contact list, your story archive, and your personal chats if you want to export these data. After that, it will start initializing into the device that you're using the Telegram right now. And that is it. After that, it is backed up. So that is how you basically back up data in Telegram, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.